Student, today we are learning about other uh, tab menu, transition and animation. And what is transition and animation? Transition and animation is a special effect which is provide effective and attractive our slide presentation. First, we create, click on insert group and create a photo album. Select photos from picture library and then insert. And as you can see, these seven pictures selected and we create from here and a photo album our create. We can change from here by class 6 as, as your requirement, and effects are allow or formatting options allow when we select object. Now when we select our object like that, then it's open its picture tools formats options and we can formatting any of as our requirement like this, like that, like this, like this, like this, or like this. So we can uh, apply any type of formatting option. Now we want to apply transition effect first, and this transition effect is used to how our slide come and how it represent. So we can select any transition options. These are like this. Okay, first from this we select this or select transition effects. Different slides we can apply different transition effects. Okay, now I am selecting one by one and with my last selection, and this is selection. If you want to show is it work, so from go to slideshow and select from beginning. Now see that when we click from mouse button, slideshow is running and which type of transition effects we are applied on slide. Then according to that, this transition effect slide is running according their transition effect. Okay, in this we can apply also sound, duration of time, and select from this we apply to all, and clicking on mouse, this option is given for execute your slide. And animation, animation is used for text or other object which is uh, insert in your slide, and this option, animation option, is used for uh, movable your text. You can select from any uh, animation effect from animation options. So this, now here we can write some text. Astro, okay, and we some effects for, okay. Now I apply animation effect on this from animation. Okay, and again I insert text in this slide, and you select if, then it's show. Okay, now apply it animation effect from this, anyone, or if you think, okay, now we take this animation effect, or as your requirement you can apply any animation effect. Okay, and if you want to add animation, you, this is other option to apply animation. Okay, so this is animation pen which is uh, show which type of animation you have applied, and by using this play button we can say that animation is applied. Okay, so from slideshow we can from beginning start. Okay, 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 next, next. So by this we can apply these animation and transition effect for looking our presentation more attractive and effective. Slideshow option is display some option to how we can execute our slide presentation from beginning, from current, from beginning, yeah, our slide start from beginning, and from current, and which slide is select at current time, that is starting from there, and the shortcut key from beginning the F5, and from current slide shift F5. Broadcast, this is used for internet options. Custom slideshow, create or play custom slideshow, which type, slide number, you have to mm, play. Setup slideshow, this is used for setup your slideshow, the timing, etc. Hide slideshow, you can hide your current slide uh, from presentation or okay. This is the many options which are usable as our requirement, but you have to use as you need, and you can also apply designs from there like that. Okay, review options provide proofing, language, comments, compare, etc. This is research, spelling, this is a grammatical portion. Okay, and view option, in this option there our slide may be view in three categories. Normal view, which is look like this. In this, the left side is a slide pane which provide the number of slides display. Then we can see how many slides we can insert. Slide sorter view, this is provide, this form is a miniature form. In this we can easily see all the slide at a one place, and we can easily um, we apply many options like by using right click. These new slides, delete slide, add section, publish slide, check for update, format background, hide slide. And the note page, this is look like a page. So each slide have a page, or we can add text at each slide. Reading view, this is a slideshow view, and in this is used as a slideshow. Okay, or we always take look our presentation in a normal view because easily to understand and work at our presentation. Ruler, you can see these are rulers, and means scaling. This is used to measure our presentation or a page to what how much its indentation we can take. And this is grid line. Grid line is applied on a grid look like this. These are grid line. Guides is split between this like this. We uh, zoom zoom, it is used for our image or document, and zoom in and zoom out, big or large. If you want to see in large format, then click zoom fit 100%, 60%, 50%, or you can also uh, slide up and slide down from here to zoom your picture, image or document. So I zoom at 100% and click OK. Then this is look like 100%. Okay, fit to window. It is this option is in this option our slide is fit at its window. Color, gray scale, black and white, we can change from it. Okay, new window, open a new window. It's open other new window in with current window. Arrange all, we can arrange our program windows side by side or cascade, anything. Switch window, we can open more than one or two. Then this option used for switching our window this like this and our like this. So this is the your MS PowerPoint. So keep practice on it and have a nice day.